Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and moving directly into Settings to stop intrusive ads. Click the three-dot menu, select Settings, then Privacy and Security. Once there, open Site Settings and choose Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure it reads Blocked. Next, check notifications and remove sites that can send alerts. These first steps close most ad vectors because pop-ups and push notifications are common ad carriers. Once done, proceed to Extensions and Content Filters to catch harder-to-block ad sources. Now focus on extensions and more granular site controls to stop persistent ads. Go to Extensions and remove anything you don't recognize or that duplicates blocking features. Malicious add-ons often inject ads. Install a trusted ad blocker like uBlock Origin and enable its stricter filter lists to catch catalog and tracker ads. Then return to Site Settings to block third-party cookies and consider blocking JavaScript on sites that still behave badly. This reduces ad scripts at the source. These steps significantly reduce annoying and malvertising ads. Finish by clearing stored site data and scanning for unwanted software. In Settings, clear browsing data. Select cached images, cookies, and site data for the past 730 days to remove lingering ad code. Run a full malware scan with a trusted anti-malware app. If infections appear, remove them and consider resetting Chrome to default settings. If ads persist, disable extensions one at a time or open Chrome in guest mode to isolate the culprit. If an ad resurfaces, reset filters or reinstall the browser as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.